This is a total Buzzaholics video, bro.
We get, like,
this is my vision of Buzzaholics.
Look, we just bring some chairs over here.
Yeah, late night talk. Yeah, we're over here.
No, we grab some of his
Set up.
chairs.
Late night taco fucking stand. That's a song, bro. We're gonna write it right now.
I didn't want to smoke a bowl because it's too.
No, we're gonna smoke a bowl.
I mean, I was gonna smoke my little roach, but I need.
No, where's my pipe?
I need to put this in a bowl.
Is it fucking... Oh,
There he is. Frijoles.
stay. Come here, right here. Oh yeah, look at that frijoles.
Beans!
Excelente.
4!
We'll try that stuff out right now. Oh, wow. That's fantastic. That's the best ever. It's great.
Thank you!
Whoa. Look at that. This is going on my YouTube channel. Look at that. Burrito, chips, frijoles. Awesome. Good. You're gonna get high Yelp reviews. 5